Understanding Welding Apron, a practical guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the term welding apron. This phrase may seem technical at first glance, but it's quite simple and interesting. We'll break it down, understand its meaning, and see how it's used in everyday language. So, let's get started. A welding apron is a protective garment designed to shield you from sparks, heat, and other hazards while welding. It's usually made of leather or fire-resistant materials. This section will explain the different parts of a welding apron and its significance in safety. In this section, we'll delve into the various features of a welding apron, such as its length, straps, pockets, and material. Understanding these components helps in recognizing the importance of a welding apron in safety gear. Here, we'll explore how the phrase, welding apron, is used in different contexts. This includes workplace safety discussions, product descriptions, and everyday conversation. We'll also look at some example sentences. This section emphasizes the critical role of a welding apron in ensuring the safety of individuals working with welding equipment. It's not just a piece of clothing, it's a vital safety tool. Thank you for joining me in exploring the term welding apron. Understanding such specific phrases can greatly enhance your English vocabulary, especially in technical contexts. I hope this video has been informative and helpful. Stay curious, and keep learning.